Hey, what's happening, guys? Tonight is Friday night, weekend, start of the weekend. So what we're going to do is, normally it would be takeaway night, and I'm going to give you an alternative. It's going to be my version of chicken rice box. Here's the ingredients, got them all here, got ready to go. Let's see how we get this put together. Beautiful dish, let's go. So this is how I put the plate together, guys. We've got spicy Mexican rice, one serving, my cooked chicken, one portion, got a mixed spinach, kale and baby red chard. Nice on the side there. Bit for me. Nom, nom. Sour cream. Low fat option. One nice little dollop of that. And some tomato chutney. One nice little dollop of that. And there we have it. Simple. Homemade takeaway chicken, rice, mixed salad, sour cream and tomato chutney. Perfect. So guys, if you like this recipe, this is a perfect alternative for your takeaway. It's nutritious, it's low cost, there's no fat in it. Obviously there's going to be little bits and bobs, but a lot healthier than getting your takeaway. Put this alongside your workouts and you're on for a winner. Keep posted, guys, more recipes. Hit the like button, subscribe. Keep it real, guys.